Okay, let's get straight into this. So, Lifecycle Services or LCS is a Microsoft online portal for managing Dynamics 365. This is where admins do all the behind the scene work for Dynamics 365. You can set up and manage environments, monitor performance, and apply updates. I like to think of it like a control room for the system, everything you need to keep it running smoothly and all in one place. When you first log in, you land on the project page. On the left-hand side at the top, you can see the hamburger menu. That's your navigation. It's how you move between different parts of LCS. You'll see things like asset library in there where what we'll talk about in the next slide, which is where you find all your updates or upload your updates within there. You'll see database backups of production. And then also at the top, you've got methodology. Basically, that's a step-by-step checklist for implementations and to get your first production environment started. And the main section is on the right. This is where all your environments are, where production, the sandboxes are, and this is how you move all your updates through to testing into production. Right, next up is the asset library. Think of this like your toolbox. It's where you store deployment packages, data templates, configuration files, your database backup of production environment. But deployment packages are especially important because that's how you roll out fixes and new features to the environments. Now let's talk updates. In LCS, you can download updates, test them in the sandbox environment, and then push them through to production. Always test first. That way you don't risk breaking the live system. To apply an update, the first thing you would do is click onto full details on your test environment. You would then click onto the maintain tab and then you would apply update. You would then search or scroll down the list of which update you would like to apply and then click apply. Now let's check out the environment monitoring. This is basically where you keep an eye on how your D365 system is doing. When you click into it, you'll see the AOS servers, which handle the core logic, basically the brains of the system, and the batch servers, which run all the background jobs like reports, etc. When you click onto the submit time, this tells you when each job started, and the graph below shows you how the servers have been performing over time. It is a really useful tool to spot issues early before users even notice anything is wrong. So yeah, that's LCS in a nutshell. Environment updates, the asset library, monitoring. If this was helpful, please drop a like and subscribe and let me know in the comments what part of LCS you want me to dive deeper into next. Thank you for watching.